When are we getting out of this forest? I am starting to lose hope.
Mrs. Sandra, stay calm. We will find a way out.
Now I see that it isn't easy to stay strong when in a moment of difficulty.
It isn't really easy. It's just like refining a gold. Imagine the gold was a human. The heat applied to the gold can be troubles of life, etc. No doubts, the heat will have some effect on the gold. So it is with humans. It isn't easy because the heat will have some effect too on us. But the good thing is, the heat on the gold will make the gold more valuable. So, whatever we feel now will only make us stronger.
Okay then.
We love this conjugate. We owe this life a lot. We strive to make life fun and conjugate will help our home. This earth we stay and all that lives in it. We love the waters and all it's got to give. In all we shall obey the conjugate. We see conjugate, conjugate, conjugate. We owe this life a lot. Conjugate, conjugate, conjugate. We owe this life a lot. Conjugate, conjugate, conjugate. We owe